always seems like I'm recording on the darkest nights of the year. It's just because it's winter time, but still, it's still dark. So we're going to a new place. Well, it's not new, excuse me. It's been around a while, but it's new to Hendersonville in my neighborhood. And everybody in Hendersonville loves this place. We should be able to get in because Whataburger just opened today. And there was a line around the building and halfway down the block for Whataburger. So we're good. So nobody's here. This is Burgerfi. So this is what it looks like in the front. And it's right next to First Watch, which is kind of like a breakfast lunch place. Everybody likes First Watch. Pretty bright in here. Not crowded because, you know, once again, Whataburger just opened down the street. Well, not really down the street, about a few miles away. So this is a great time to do Burgerfi. Alright, let's take a look at the menu here. And they got custard shakes, concretes, which is kind of like a, what do you call it? Like a blizzard, okay? They got waffle cones. They got, I'm not interested in desserts. They got fresh fries, and fresh onion rings, and they have, they're homemade here. They have truffle style, which is kind of cool. Urban style, which is aged Parmesan. Let's see. And then, they even do chicken sandwiches. I didn't know that. That might be interesting. All right. Oh, they're pushing those fries, aren't they? They love their fries. What? Yeah, okay. So which one was on green? They have Wagyu beef hot dog. You can see their menu online. Wagyu beef hot dog. That's crazy. Alright. I think it used to be a CEO burger, but I don't know. I don't see it up here. Oh, there it is. The CEO. That's a good one. Well, let's do a different one. The other video I did down in Brentwood, it was let's do the swag. You want to get a hot dog too to try it? Alright, so we'll do the American Wagyu beef hot dog. You want Texas, New York, or original? Chili, cheese, and hot sauce? Okay. I'm in house watering. The maple bacon shake? Oh my god, that's like Slater's 50-50. I don't know what's on the floor. There's something on the floor that I'm literally, it's like walking on ice. I'm sliding. I probably walk better on ice right now. It's really greasy on the floor. I don't know what's on the floor, but my shoes are now completely coated with it and I'm sliding all over the floor. Thank God I'm in a chair right now because I just break my neck. By the way, I'm looking on the walls here. Not only do they do the hamburger, any sandwich in lettuce, they'll do it like a protein style like In-N-Out does, but they also have Beyond Meat. You guys are into that plant-based fake stuff? I'm not, but they have it here. If you want a Beyond Meat burger, I kind of, if somebody held me down to the ground and eat one, I'd do the Impossible Burger over Beyond Meat. I've had Beyond Meat and it's not Beyond, but anyway, they have it here, and who knows? They might make a good one. Okay, guys, another thing to note. I didn't realize this, but I just noticed on the TV screen it showed beer. I looked up at the menu and it says drinks, craft beer, and wine. That's pretty interesting. That they do.
Soon, they're waiting for their burger permit.
Oh, it's coming soon?
Yeah, because all their tabs don't have anything on it yet.
Oh, they don't have it yet?
Yeah, but it'll be coming.
Oh, but this is a brand new, so they're just waiting for their maybe liquor license for here. But that's what it says on their menu: craft beer and wine. So by the time you get in here, they may have it. I don't know. You drink that kind of thing. But so far I'm impressed with their menu, and I'm impressed with they do a veggie burger, they do a Beyond Meat burger, they do a burger wrapped in lettuce. I mean, at least they're trying to give some healthier options. They may not be healthier, but they're trying. But I think, yeah, so far I think we got a nice thing here. Okay, first comment, they brought us order incorrectly because we wrapped all the sandwiches in lettuce, but the chicken sandwich was not. So they took all the food back, our onion rings, the hot dog, everything. And I'll be amazed if I have warm onion rings now. I'll be amazed, but we'll see. Okay, we got the Wagyu beef hot dog. That is the Texas style. Is there hot sauce on that? Okay. And then beer battered onion rings. Try that. And then the spicy chicken sandwich. And then we've got the swag burger. It's not really big. Does that look big to you? That burger right there for $10? That's a $10 burger. What is the bun like worth $5? So why I don't, that's a $10 burger, guys. Okay guys, that's a $10 burger. I'd probably get a better burger for $7 over at Hardee's. Or $8 for Baconator. But anyway, that's the $10 burger right there. Alright, so these were like 5 and change. What'd we get? 5 onion rings for
6.
5 or 6? We got 6. We got a crumb in there.
Yeah. Well, no.
Oh.
It's a double.
Oh, I see. They're hiding our onion rings. Okay. And then this was $10. And then that was that one was what, 5 and change, I think?
Right there.
Yeah, 5 and change. And then the spicy chicken, which is over here, which is I showed you a minute ago, but that was, how much was it? $6.67 for the spicy chicken sandwich right there. So everything seems to me right off the bat a little pricey, but let's try flavor. Okay, guys, kudos to the chicken breast they're using. That's a big chicken breast. I didn't get it at a good angle, but that looks great. And I have to tell you, all the meat they use and all the chicken they use, everything's grass-fed and organic and fresh ingredients. So I do understand you're going to pay for quality also. My wife just informed me of that. I did not know. All right, here's the chicken sandwich right here. Here we go. That's really spicy. It's supposed to be spicy, huh? Wow. Guys, the spicy chicken's really spicy. It really is. Wow. Okay. This hamburger wrapped in lettuce may not have been a good idea, but we're gonna try it anyway. Here we go. I'm gonna make a mess of everything. Well, you got it on video. Ready? Good beef. You're right. The quality here is good. The beef is good. The chicken's good. My mouth's on fire right now. My wife is not going to like that sandwich. But I know what my wife likes. It's spicy. That's hotter than I would want. Wow. Anyway. Hold on a minute. Alright. My mouth's calming down right now. I can't wait till Terry tries it. This is a beer battered onion ring. It's double beer battered, right? I believe so. Wow. You can truly taste the beer in the batter. They really have done a great job. I'm really impressed so far. I felt a little weird about pricing, but so far, if I'm gonna pay a little more for something, I'm gonna get more flavor. Here we go. This is a Texas style hot dog. It's got cheese and chili and hot sauce. finish all this and I'll give you my thoughts on the way out. Did I happen to mention my mouth on fire?
I did not.
Okay, tell me again what hot stuff we have on that sandwich.
It's homemade hot pickles.
Homemade hot pickles,
Fresh jalapenos.
fresh jalapenos,
Ghost pepper honey.
and ghost pepper honey,
And spicy mayo.
and spicy mayo.
It's good.
Why didn't we just go for like just hot chicken?
It's good. More people coming.
So you had some interesting comments. What'd you think?
I thought it was all good. The chicken was really good. I liked it. It wasn't that hot.
It was that hot.
It wasn't. I ate the whole thing. I ate the whole thing.
Don't bother coming in. They closed 17 minutes ago. Yeah. I'll go good times.
And
Uh-oh. There's 4 unhappy people. They just closed
they close at 6.
at
So,
6 o'clock.
Yeah, because of the holiday season right now, I think. So yeah, so you're good.
It's January, honey.
It doesn't matter.
Holiday season's over.
Anyway. So,
Okay, warning, guys. Don't get here after 6. Go ahead.
Well, no, they got out. Their hours are posted.
I
So
really.
they close at 8 on the other days.
Okay.
And so then, let's see. The chicken, the onion rings were really good, and the burger was good. So I mean, it all was good.
The hot dog.
I didn't like the casing. I
Okay.
just didn't. It didn't. I don't know. Didn't
All right.
like it.
I hear you.
Okay.
Okay, oh, honey, you had your time. You had your 5 minutes of fame. Anyway, let's do a little rundown. It's sad that they close at 6, so there's some people that keep showing up. They're very upset. They're brand new, so you would think they would stay open later than 6 o'clock, but whatever. Hot dog, it was good. Casing was a little tight. If you like a tight casing, a lot of New Yorkers like tight casings. It's like that on New York dogs too, and that's how we got it, New York style. So the onion rings, the beer batter's great. The burger was a little small. I can go over to Jumbo Delicious and get a burger twice the size. And oh, here we go. They're closed. Yeah, they just closed. Sorry.
It's the saddest thing I've ever
Well, there are sadder things, but that is sad. Trust me. Just follow me around for a day. You'll see sad. Anyway, so yeah, the beer batter onion rings were good, but that burger was small. The quality was great, but the burger was small. Still small. I can get twice the size at less, like $3 less at Jumbo Delicious. So, you know, it's a give and take. You want to pay a little extra. It's a good environment. I don't know what was on the floor. It was making me slide all over. I almost broke my neck in there. That would have been an interesting video, huh? But anyway, I liked everything that I had. It was awesome. So once again, it's a kind of a give and take. If you don't mind paying the high prices, the food quality is good. All right, I love you guys. If you don't mind coming here for that, and you can pay the prices here, then show them some love and tell them you saw it on the show. All right, I love you guys. Bye bye.